In a previous video, we had an in-depth analysis on why you need to get on your phones and start mining before the phase 3 of the Pi network releases. But why? Wouldn't it be much better to invest in something that is already having a bullish run currently rather than on coin that isn't even released yet? Well, let me tell you why. There isn't a heartbreak nor a mistake, but there is a billion who thinks that the Pi network will take the crypto world by storm. Good day to you, beautiful people of the internet, and welcome to yet another video from us, Crypto Cash Out, where we bring the latest and freshest in the crypto space. Always remember that whatever we say in this video is not financial advice, as we only seek to give you more insights and understanding on the topic we are talking about. Whether you invest your time, money, and effort in the Pi network is solely up to you, so please do your own research after this video ends. Now, on to the video. Unless you're a new fan or just stumbled upon this video while looking for information about the Pi network, you'll remember that we already talked about the Pi network not too long ago, where we dove deep on how it works. You can watch that in this video, but in case you don't have the spare time to watch that video, say no more and we will bring the facts to you. So, what is the Pi network? So basically, Pi Network is a project developed by a group of Stanford University graduates wherein they aim to introduce cryptocurrency to the next generation of people who are interested in crypto mining. Well, mining is the incorrect term for Pi, but we'll get onto that later. They introduced the new generation because they want to combat the centralization of the first few coins that went bull like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, Pi Network had a complex plan that was divided into 3 phases. The first phase was done in the first quarter of 2019, where they started off with 100,000 users. This phase involved the distribution and designing stage of the app. It was then followed by the second phase that involved the Pi wallet and the app development through the SDK. In this phase, users will be allowed to download their own nodes as the network is getting ready to enter the mainnet. Now, Pi Network has been on the second phase since then and have yet to release the third and final phase of their plan. They plan to release the network on the mainnet once they hit 25 million active users, and lo and behold, they did hit it on September 2021 and even ended the year at a staggering 30 million active users of the platform. But they have not yet released the final phase, maybe because they are doing some final preparations. They did tweet about releasing it soon on their official Twitter account in December 2021 that they are close to releasing it, which is good news for all you miners. Now, during the pre-mainnet phase, the pioneers of the app are not allowed to cash out on all of the tokens that they have mined during the phase. This is to make the tokens secure and not prone to scams. This is also done to prevent fake accounts to mine all the coins and just dip right out of the cash, stopping new users from collecting and mining on their own. Surprisingly, they have yet to totally deplete all of their resources because there is no definite total supply yet. Well, there are rumors that it might be over 100 billion tokens, but that isn't important now. The important thing to understand with the Pi network is how users can mine in the network. They don't. Instead, they mint coins. In case you're wondering what the difference is, minting is a process wherein people generate new tokens through a decentralized method without the involvement of a central authority. On the other hand, mining is used to generate new coins and verify new transactions using a decentralized network of computers. Because of this mining method, cryptos like Bitcoin contribute a lot to the release of gases that are harmful to the environment. In the case of the Pi network, because they don't take up a lot of computer parts, therefore becoming more eco-friendly, they are gaining a lot of attention because of their minting process. Here is our boy Elon Musk comes in. In case you have the lifestyle of Patrick Star and living under a rock, let us have some background about Elon Musk. Elon Reeves Musk is an entrepreneur and owns a lot of businesses. So basically, Elon Musk is rich. How rich? Only $270 billion rich as of January 2022. He did this because of owning multiple companies such as the founder, CEO, and chief engineer of SpaceX, which is an aerospace manufacturer, space transportation service, and communications company. He is also the CEO of the electric car company Tesla, which we will get more into later in this video. Because of all the money and wealth, Musk has also founded the company The Boring Company and co-founded Neuralink and OpenAI. With the massive wealth, surely he also have some influence in the world, right? Well, he does not have some influence, but he has a massive influence, especially in the world of cryptocurrency. In the first half of 2021, he tweeted for his love on the crypto Dogecoin because of how much of a fan he is of the Shiba Inu. Because of this, the popularity of Dogecoin skyrocketed. It even had a massive bullish run that even price prediction did not foresee. He even accepted Dogecoin as a mode of currency in one of his companies. If you want more about Dogecoin, we have another video about that, so go check it out. Going back to Tesla, Elon founded one of, if not the biggest electronic car companies out there. In 2020 alone, they had a net income of around $721 million. The market for Tesla is huge and Elon wanted to integrate the crypto market in it. In fact, in March of 2021, he announced that Tesla will be accepting Bitcoin as a mode of payment for all of its products. This business move not only boosted the stocks for Tesla, but for Bitcoin as well. However, this relationship with Bitcoin was short-lived, and in May of the same year, Elon decided that the company would not be accepting Bitcoin any further because of the environmental damages that Bitcoin can do because of the previously mentioned mining process. Maybe he remembered that Tesla was founded in order to lessen the environment from the harmful gases that cars bring, and Bitcoin is not much of an eco-friendly token to say the least. In a tweet from May 13, 2021, he said that Tesla has suspended vehicle purchases using Bitcoin, adding that the reason behind it is that he is concerned about the massive fossil fuel usage that Bitcoin uses whenever there is a transaction being made and when mining Bitcoin. In fact, the average power demand and electricity consumption of Bitcoin mining has been on the rise ever since its release. Despite this, Musk still believes that cryptocurrency still has a promising future and is good on so many levels. However, he cannot risk the safety of the environment with the crypto, but the Bitcoin that the company gained through the short period of time will be used as transactions as soon as mining transitions will not have a negative effect on the environment. That is why he is looking for a different coin. But he isn't looking for an ordinary coin. He is looking for a coin that is more eco-friendly, that will use less than 1% of Bitcoin's energy or transaction. They are also looking for a coin that has a faster transaction time, and he found his candidate, Dogecoin. In December 2021, he announced that Dogecoin can now be used to buy Tesla merch. You might be thinking this is in your head right now. Dogecoin, I thought we were talking about the Pi network. And don't worry, we will. Remember that the value of Pi token is near to zero right now because it still isn't in the mainnet phase. Therefore, it isn't monetized yet. But when you recheck the standards of choosing a coin by Elon Musk, you will see that how Pi is designed will surely gain Musk's attention. Eco-friendly? Well, that is a check because of that minting method of Pi. There will be less gas that will be released when getting and transacting with the coin. But what might truly attract the likes of Elon is how fast transactions are done in the testing area for Pi network. So, not only is the coin super easy to mint and mine, but the average speed for transacting Pi is around 8 seconds, which is a lot faster when compared to the hours that Bitcoin takes. But that is all speculation, and Elon Musk has not yet made any announcement with regards to Pi network. But Elon is the type of guy that might like Pi network because of its speed and eco-friendly capabilities. We would not be surprised if he does accept Pi as a currency of transaction in his companies when the mainnet will finally be released to the public. This will boost the popularity and gain of Pi network even further, which may shut down all of the predictions being made about the token at hand. At the moment, there are predictions that see Pi to be valued at $0.007 when it starts to slowly grow to $0.0128 before the end of the year. Eventually, it is predicted that Pi tokens will hit $5 when 2027 rolls around. But again, if Elon does accept the token in Tesla, this prediction may move even further. But we will just have to wait and see if Mr. Musk does make the move when phase 3 of the Pi network comes around. Hey! Thanks for watching the video. We hope that you enjoyed watching and learning with us. If you did enjoy the video, be sure to like it as it really helps us a ton. Also, subscribe to help us grow and reach more people with our videos. For a chance at a shoutout giveaway, comment down below if you think Elon Musk will take Pi tokens in the future. That is it for today's video. We hope to see you in the next one. Have fun cashing out!